Florya is one of the most prestigious districts in Istanbul. Located in Bakirkoy municipality, it's close to the beach and it's close to the highway. The apartment is located at the heart of Florya, right in the middle of the highway and the seaside. In 5-story apartment, our apartment is located at 4th and 5th floor. It's a 2-story apartment and it has 255 square meters of closed area. It is almost impossible to find an apartment this big with sea view with these prices, so in any case, this apartment, which is suitable for 3 citizenships, is a catch.